Maserati, the iconic Italian luxury car manufacturer, is stirring up excitement among car enthusiasts with the announcement of its limited edition MC20 Notte supercar. But there's a catch: they will only be producing a mere 50 units of this sleek and mystifying vehicle. The MC20 Notte supercar is a stunning example of engineering excellence, showcasing Maserati's commitment to craftsmanship and performance. Its dark and menacing aesthetic, with a sleek blacked-out exterior, gives it an air of mystery and sophistication that is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Underneath its alluring exterior, the MC20 Notte supercar hides a powerful 3.0-liter V6 engine, capable of producing an impressive 621 horsepower. With a top speed of 202 miles per hour, this limited edition beauty is truly a force to be reckoned with on the road. Inside the cabin, Maserati has spared no expense in ensuring that every detail exudes luxury and comfort. From the premium leather seats to the state-of-the-art technology, the MC20 Notte supercar offers an immersive driving experience that is unparalleled. The allure of exclusivity is inevitably what makes the MC20 Notte supercar even more desirable. With only 50 units being produced, those lucky enough to get their hands on one will become part of an elite group of discerning car aficionados. Maserati's decision to limit the production of the MC20 Notte supercar is a testament to their commitment to creating remarkable and unforgettable driving experiences. This limited edition masterpiece is set to captivate the automotive world, demonstrating Maserati's ability to push boundaries and redefine what it means to be a supercar. So, if you're longing for the opportunity to own a piece of automotive excellence, you'd better act fast. With only 50 units up for grabs, the Maserati MC20 Notte supercar is sure to become an elusive gem in the realm of luxury automobiles.